Hospitality and tourism are among the world's biggest industries. A very well-known personality in the hospitality and tourism industry, Mr. B.Voc Jha made his foray into the field of education in the year 2016. Mr. B.Voc Jha extended his services and pioneered a platform, BCCM, British Columbia College of Management, for the new generation youth at Delhi NCR, offering world-class infrastructure, facilities and placements, with an opportunity to be trained by highly qualified, well-experienced, dynamic set of faculty. BCCM has an association with many overseas colleges and universities. BCCM also provides financial help to the willing students with a facility to avail student loan. So don't let go such a good opportunity. British Columbia College of Management, BCCM. A flight for your dreams.